Now I'm going to explain you about approval step. There is an OTB approval step available. Okay, anything pending from last class? Split for each practical is over now. So next we are going to discuss about these things I'll remove. Just give me 1 minute. For 3 managers, we have already given password. Only 4th and 5th we need. That also I can update. That's not a big deal. And user 1 is okay. And below, why this much? Okay. The requirements. Okay. Case management covers this is over. And then after that, split for each we were done, right? Oh, today case management covers, huh? Okay. Okay, let's go with case management with covers and then I'll tell you about approval step. Okay, after we start this, I can tell you about. Otherwise, first I'll cover approval step. No? Approval step. Okay, I'll cover approval step. Okay, first of all. See, there is one OTB flow step available by name approval. By name what? Approval. I'll just log into our application AIG. Okay, if you open case type, vehicle insurance and approval step. Okay, if you click on add step and approve reject, if you select approve reject, no, add it, approve reject. See, this is an OTB step available. Approve reject is like not like collect information, it is separate one. Approve reject, you can write any name. Okay. So now here, approval flow type, single level. What is this one? First, I will show you. I will save and run. Okay. I will show you how the screen looks like so that you can have a better idea. Okay. So I'll go to customer search. After customer search, okay, it's better. I will add this step at the beginning so that I don't have to go through all the screens to come to this. Just approval step I have added at the beginning. So we created our own approval step. That is different. This is different. So what is there? This OOTB approval step that Pega has provided has one comment box, approve button, reject button. What should happen if manager clicks on approve button? What should happen if someone clicks on reject button? Manager clicks on reject button. That also we can choose. Select this approval step. Here flow tab. If approved, continue means go in a regular process. If rejected, you can here also continue, but there is another option called change stage. In approved also you have change stage. Change stage means, do you know change stage? Did we use this? Change stage means you can make the flows jumping from one step to another step. So if rejected, I'm choosing like, if rejected, it should jump to approval rejection stage. But where is approval rejection stage? We did not add any approval rejection stage, no. Then how the stage is coming? Because the stage is added at the bottom here. Automatically, Pega is adding one stage called approval rejection when you add this. When you add approve step, automatically Pega is adding one stage at the bottom. What is the stage? This is called alternate stage. I will explain you the concept of alternate stages also in few minutes. Okay. Alternate stage. First, let me explain you about approval step. About what? Approval step. The OOTB approval step and its features. What are the features available? It's like an assignment only, right? When you execute the flow, it has displayed one screen. It's just like an assignment, but it's not assignment, it's a flow. Separately, again, it's a flow. You want me to show that? Just let me open the process for approval. And see here, this is a process shape, you know. It has added one sub-process shape. If you open that, there is a flow available. You don't have to go through understanding about this flow in detail. Not required now. Just close this. Okay, approval type is simple approval, cascading approval. I'll explain you. All these are available as options here. I will explain you. So see here now. If you go to approval step, approval type, single level approval. I'll tell you one example. See, suppose if you are going to submit a leave request, your manager will approve. Your reporting manager will approve generally. Who is reporting manager? If you are an operator, go to operator profile, go to work tab, and here you have reports too. Here you select your manager ID. No, this is reporting manager. So this is reporting manager. You can select approval type single level to a specific user who is your reporting manager. Automatically, suppose if I am operator, I have executed a flow of leave request. When I submit my leave request, in the next assignment, this is selected, reporting manager is selected. That means next assignment will be routed to my reporting manager. If you execute the same flow, it will be routed to your reporting manager. Your reporting manager may be different. My reporting manager may be different. Where is the reporting manager operator ID available? Whoever is working on that particular operator's work tab, it is available. In the operator's work tab, reporting, that Pega will take dynamically. It should not be blank. It should not be blank. After this is single level approval. Single level approval can be reporting manager. It can be another operator, maybe your own, your wish. Maybe some other operator ID you can give here. To that operator, it will be routed. This is like single level approval, routing to operator. Operator can be anyone. Operator even can be reporting manager. Every one of you clear with this? Single level, are you clear? Everyone online. Single level means how many people will be involved in the approval process? Only one will be involved. Next, cascading approval. They will ask you this question in interview. What is cascading approval? Explain. What is the general meaning of cascading? We worked on cascading drop down. You tell me what is cascading means. Generally, what is the cascading? We worked on cascading drop down. Cascading is a common term. It can be for drop down. It can be for approval. It can be for anything. What do you mean by cascading? Chapandi.
Before previous value, the list will be displayed.
Yeah. The current one will be dependent on previous one. Current one will be dependent on previous one. In the cascading option, cascading flow type, you have again two options in the approval. That is approval based on reporting structure, approval based on authority matrix. First, let me explain you reporting structure. In the reporting structure, who should approve? Obviously, reporting manager. So you are an operator. You have a reporting manager. You have a reporting manager. Your reporting manager may have another reporting manager. Yes or no? So manager may have another manager, yes or no? That is called as reporting structure till to the last level. Suppose in your company, suppose if you join a company, software company, if you go to your employee portal, if you look at your reporting manager, then if you open your reporting manager ID, he will have some other reporting manager. That reporting manager may have another report. Like this is called reporting structure. This is called as reporting structure, means the current employee is reporting manager, his reporting manager's reporting manager, like that. Till the someone there is no reporting manager. Okay, it should not be circular. Okay, now like that, reporting manager approval level only one, means my reporting manager approves enough. Generally with one you don't go for cascading, you can directly go normally. All, generally what? All means what? So if you submit the particular approval step will be routed to your manager first. Only one person it will be routed. If your manager rejects it, it won't go further. Overall, it is done. Step is rejected. Case is rejected. If your manager approves, again the same assignment will be routed to his manager to the next level. 3 levels are there. Second level rejected. Overall rejected or not? If my subordinate rejects, should I review that? If my subordinate approves, then I am going to review it further whether should I approve or not. He himself decided that it is not required. He rejected. Means it will not further come. Like that, it will go one by one step. All approvals means it is approved. Anywhere rejected means it will be stopped there. Custom. Custom means you can add, update custom levels. when some condition is done, levels of approval 2. Levels of approval, how many? 2 levels is enough. See, overall, if you look, I am the one who is submitting the previous assignment. When I submit, it went to approval step. When it went to approval step, I have a reporting manager. My reporting manager, like that, if you look at the reporting structure, 5 people are there. If a condition is satisfied, how many levels we need approval? 2 levels of approval received means it will proceed to next step. It will proceed to, if condition is not satisfied, it will wait for all 5 levels. All 5 levels done, then only it will proceed to next step in the flow. Are you clear with this point? Custom option. Every one of you.
Yes.
This is nice. But the real one is the other one. This one, everyone clear, right? Next one is, in the cascading approval flow type, there are 2 ways you can send it for approval. One is reporting structure, where all custom options are there. Another one is authority matrix. What is authority matrix in cascading approval? Page list property you need to give. You remember in the last class when we were working with split for each. At split for each, you need a page list, yes or no? Before split for each, we are making sure to build the required page list. Did we build or not? That means here also you give one page list. Let's say page list A. Before the work object reaches to this tab, you need to make sure page list A is built up somehow. Means you have fetched the operators from manager operators from operator table, and that you added on page list. And in this page list, py user identifier property is holding manager operator IDs. Now in the authority matrix, what will happen? You need to give your own custom page list, which should be built by you before it goes to respective step. And you need to provide a property here along with page list. In the page list, each page contains this property with a different operator ID. Now what will happen, when the work object reaches here, so in this page list, 10 pages are there. Means this assignment approval will be routed to how many people? 10 people it will be routed. Understand clear, everyone? Is it sounding similar to split for each, this option? Is it sounding similar to split for each, yes or no? Online students.
Yes.
But not. It sounds similar. Difference is there. Split for each, if you give a page list and give a routing property like what we have given. So 10 pages are there in the page list. Assignment gets created 10 times and will be routed. At a time that will happen. All 10 people it will be reached out. Understand? But in this scenario, if you go to authority matrix, the page list and the property, whatever you have given, if it has 10 pages, first page operator it will be routed. It will wait for the approval. Approval done, then only second page operator. Then only third page operator. Anywhere approval is rejected, it will not further be routed to rest of the page operators. That's a one by one. This is split for each, all at a time. All 10 people it will be sent. Okay, clear everyone? Are you clear, online students? Split for each is not only for approval. We did a requirement of approval. Using split for each, you can do anything. It's not only for approval, but this is specifically for approval. This is again a concept of something similar to split for each, but not. Make sense? Clear, every one of you?